Naghahanap po ang Miss Universe Philippines Canada ng Filipino-Canadians na ipadadala sa Pilipinas para sumabak sa Miss Universe Philippines pageant sa susunod na taon. Bukas na ang online application para sa mga gustong sumailalim sa screenings. Ang iba pang detalye sa report na ito.
What we're looking for are those who are confident to represent the Filipino community in Canada.
There's no discrimination in regards with how we define women, right? Because it's how you define yourself as a person.
Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, magkakaroon ng search para sa Miss Universe Philippines Canada. Dalawang kandidata na Filipino-Canadian ang pipiliin, kakatawan sa mga Pilipino sa Canada, at sasabak sa Miss Universe Philippines sa Pilipinas sa Mayo.
This is open to all Filipino women of whatever definition you think a woman is. So, pwede siyang single, pwedeng may asawa, pwedeng may mga anak. Pwede ring, as long as adult Filipina woman, 18 and above, walang age limit. There's no age limit.
2023 nang ianunsyo ng Miss Universe Organization ang ilang pagbabago sa mga maaaring sumali sa pageant. Bagay na ikina-excite ng franchise holder ng Miss Universe Philippines Canada.
We all know that there are untapped talents, untapped beauties in Canada. Someone who strongly believes in the values of a true Filipina. Plus, we also want to celebrate the values of Canadians.
It's heading to a proper direction. We're supposed to be giving equality. Doesn't matter how old you are, doesn't matter what size you are, doesn't matter what age you are, because we want to make sure it broadens the spectrum of the view of the pageantry. Because it's not just about a specific type of beauty that's defined what a woman is, right? It's all about personal, it's about the beauty, it's about the inner, it's about the outside.
Bukas na ang online application para sa mga gustong sumali. Ayon sa mga organizers ng search dito sa Canada, may edge raw na makuha ng mga Filipino-Canadians ang title bilang Miss Universe Philippines.
So kapag dumating tayo doon, lalo sa international pageant na, sa pagdating na ng Miss Universe mismo, hindi na tayo makikibagay o mangangapa dahil we already know how it is to be around a diverse environment. Marami tayong pwedeng i-showcase bilang Filipinas in Canada. Marami rin may hunger to get their stories out there.
Most of the people that grew up here, they want to reach out with the culture that the parents na nag-immigrant dito po sa Canada, right? So now they're touch basing with the Filipino ancestry, with the Filipino culture na gusto din nila makilala.
Matapos salain ng online applications, magaganap ang screening sa Vancouver, Toronto at Montreal. Sa Enero, pipili ng dalawang kandidata, isa mula West Coast at isa mula Eastern Canada, na siyang sasabak sa Miss Universe Philippines sa Mayo.
We're gonna have an unbiased judge panel. So the moment that they do get crowned as Miss Philippines Canada, we're gonna be able to try to get them sponsors. We're gonna try to be able to provide them with support.
We hope that all of you will have the confidence and be inspired to join the screenings nationwide.